Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to save Google Contacts to Android phone. Saving Google Contacts to your Android phone helps keep names, numbers, and email addresses available on your device. Most Android phones can sync contacts directly from your Google account in just a few steps. Once sync is enabled, your contacts can appear automatically in the Contacts app. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the home screen. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap Accounts or Passwords and Accounts. Choose your Google account from the list. If needed, tap Add Account and sign in first. Now back to your account that you tapped before. Look for the sync options for your Google account, then turn on the switch for Contact Sync. Now tap Sync Now if that option appears. Wait a few moments while the contacts download. Now open the Contacts app on your phone and check your Google contacts now appear in the list. Refresh the Contacts app if some names do not show immediately. Keep Contact Sync enabled for future updates automatically. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.